Donna, how are you?
Fine, Thomas.
Did you prepare for your exam?
Yes. But I am afraid.
What happened?
For all the exams, I am nervous. Thomas, I don't know how to explain. Kind of tensed or depression.
Definitely you should talk to your parents and consult a psychologist.
Why psychologist?
Only they know about human mind. They can help you from this. It's not too late.
You know someone who can help me?
Of course I know. Dr. Susan.
How did you know all these? How did you know this doctor? How can I meet her?
Relax. I know you have lot of dots. Just dial 050400863 and fix an appointment with Dr. Susan. Donna, once I was like you. I talked to my parents and they suggest me to consult with Dr. Susan. Trust me, she is the best. Dr. Susan helped not only my psychological issues, she helped me to improve my academic skills.
Thank you so much, Thomas. Today itself I will talk to my parents and fix the appointment with Dr. Susan.
It's my pleasure. Don't forget to dial 050400863.